Today's video is a review of the online jewelry brand Obi. I have 3 pairs of earrings to share with you today. Recently I've been getting into hoop earring styles. These are all 18 karat gold plated and so beautiful. I tried to pick some wearable styles that I knew for sure I would be reaching for, and these definitely suit the bill. All 3 earrings are in a beautiful gold color. They're coated with an 18 karat gold vermeil. The luster and shine on these is gorgeous. So the first earrings I want to share with you today are the pearl beaded sphere hoop earrings. I'm wearing them right now. These retail on their website for $186. These earrings are great for formal occasions as well as everyday wear. I love the combination of the sphere hoops and the pearls on the center as well. I absolutely love the design on these hoops. These aren't a continuous circle, which is really great because I like the post back so they don't pull on your ear. They're quite secure with that. The hoops add a contemporary twist to the classic pearl design. The gemstones on these earrings are pearl and moissanite. We have the pearl in the center, as well as 2 moissanite gemstones on the top and bottom. So the total height on these earrings is 22 millimeters. As you can see, it's a very wearable size of hoop. So these earrings have a good weight to them. They're not overly heavy where I feel like they pull on the earlobe, but you can tell that they are really great quality. So these earrings have this beautiful twist detailing all throughout the hoop. We have a pearl in the center, and we also have moissanite stones right here on either earring. And they have this really vibrant gold color, which I love as well. Next up, we have the moissanite marine hoop earrings. These retail on their website for $70, and I'm wearing them right now. So these are little tiny hoops. They're not necessarily huggies because they dangle a bit from the edge of the ear. The gemstone on these is moissanite as well. So these earrings are extremely comfortable. I feel like I could even work out in them. If I move my head, I can't even feel them on. You could probably even sleep in these because they feel really comfortable to wear. These earrings are made of recycled silver and once again plated in 18 karat gold vermeil. So here is a close-up of the earrings. I love the modern marine link design. And once again, these are not a continuous circle. They have a post back, so that helps with the weight on your ear. Here we have the oval crossover morganite stud earrings. These retail on their site for $130. I really love the look of these earrings. They are definitely unique and I've never seen something quite like that. I love that these earrings are asymmetrical. They are not identical, giving a lot of variety to this pair of earrings. The gemstones on these are morganite and moissanite. Here we have the moissanite on top, which are those pave set crystals, and we also have the morganite stone right here. So the morganite stone is this beautiful amethyst color, which I love. Once again, these earrings have an 18 karat gold vermeil, so look at the shine on that. These are absolutely stunning. So this is one of the earrings, and I'll show you the other one for comparison because as I mentioned, they are not identical. I think they go really well together and they're definitely a unique and interesting look. The total height on these earrings is 23 millimeters. These earrings have a captivating crossover design, which I really think you will love. So this is what the packaging looks like. Here we have the included gift bag as well as the jewelry box itself. All of the items come in a suede dust bag, and there's a jewelry polishing cloth as well. This brand is quite sustainable. Each piece is handcrafted with 100% recycled gold vermeil and solid sterling silver. This helps reduce CO2 emissions by over 60%. It's highly durable and designed for everyday wear, which I love. Obi offers lab-grown gemstones, natural pearls, and they also use recycled silver and eco-friendly packaging. So anyways, that should do it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you like content like this, be sure to subscribe. With that being said, I'll see you in my next video. Thanks for watching.